How to boost plastic recycling. Before that, let's see the story of bottle. Once upon a time, there was a bottle. But a thirsty human takes it and start to drink and throw it away. It fly through the sky and hit and falls down. And see what happened? Nowadays, throwing bottles is common in every places. Our world is in danger. Don't worry. Here is the solution. We are introducing Recyking. Recycling is the project to earn gifts and money by recycling plastic bottles through our auto machine. First, follow these instructions, then insert the bottle. Just click and collect your rewards. Be a part in millions of happy faces. No more plastic, no more pollution. For that, just support our project and save the nature.